We're gonna go around the table and describe in one word what we think about these wings. I'm gonna say divine.
Delectable.
Wonderful.
Scrumptious.
He needs Red Bull when he got these ones.
So the chicken wings for today, day 7. Yesterday, Kylie, she seasoned them with salt, put them in the refrigerator to let them kind of dry out a little bit. It's supposed to make the skin a lot crispier. And then this morning I set them out to get to room temperature. And then what I'm going to do is going to melt some beef tallow and baste all of them. And then sit them in the smoker for about an hour, 45 minutes, 2 hours at 225. And then let them smoke. And then when they get out of the smoker, I'm going to baste them with butter. Melting the beef tallow down. All right, about to baste them with the beef tallow. Look at the beef tallow all over the skin of the chicken. All right, so the wings are done smoking. I'm about to pour the butter on them.
You ain't getting dinner for me.
Look how juicy that is.
That ain't enough. No.
Check this out.
Check it out.
Ooh.
Good.
Good.